Kajing ikun tuma persya ika klam COVID lala banong bakalawan ra shisha iki bubun kijing tangi ki pajba Henry layo jingte bak sarkar jala Meghalaya kaba da don bon kilat banlum khajanaru kadon hakajing namar kajing bum pahu pisa habakren shekilat pathai kubor hadien balawai kajing lang kapla lum do lampang yeng darbar tho an ka jala ba met ba lingdo iki menteri sarkar harin kadru kajing don kinombi khmat nakaliang persya bakumjo ki officer rangba ka sarkar jala Menteri rangba ka jala konrad ke sangmau la pentem ba ka sarkar ka don ye kapisa ndre kamdap tambau loong ka sarkar ka don kam ban pentri kam bat penya ya kapisa hakar kom ka badai khamtam hakum kani kapor baki akhon ye ka khlam COVID-19.
The funds are never enough, and therefore we have to make choices. And it's like, I guess, in any situation that one faces. So therefore, even in this situation, the funds are never enough. It's not to say that we don't have funds at all. We have limited resources. We need to ensure that the state's normal expenditure also is not affected, the normal projects also not affected. At the same time, we need to ensure that the COVID fight also continues with sufficient resources. So it's, to answer your question in short, it's not enough, but it is about managing things, investing things in the right thing when it's needed the most at the right time. So therefore, we're realizing that investing in oxygens and oxygen plants, investing in ICU beds, investing in the medication, all these aspects are very critical right now, the manpower. So all these things are what we're focusing on. So funds are not enough, but it's about managing the funds in the right way.